Nature deadliest creature. And they're not always the biggest. The tiny mosquito kills more human every year than any animals, spreading deadly disease like malaria and dengue. The black widow spider. Its venom is 15 times stronger than a rattlesnake's. Random facts. The deadliest small creature. This colorful poison dart frog might look cute, but it carries enough toxin to kill 10 grown men. Step on a stonefish by mistakes. Its venom can cause excruciating pain and even death. And this cone snail, one sting, and you could be paralyzed with no known antidote. Follow for more.